What up YouTube, my name is Nathaniel Green and welcome back to King Bedoja's Effects. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can scale your textured material inside Unreal Engine 5. Let's get started. First I'm going to drag in a cube. This is where I'm going to put my texture at. Let's actually get out a little bit and alright. Now let's go to our texture. So I'm just going to click up in here. Now you can put any texture you want on here and use the same concept what I'm going to show you. It should work. But I'm just going to go in here inside my texture. And I actually want to use, we'll use this one for the demonstration purpose. But before I use this, let's actually create a new folder. Let me create a new folder. So I'm just going to right click, new folder. I'm going to name it text. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the brick I want to mess around with. Actually this one. I'm going to drag and just drop it here. And I want to copy it there because I want to keep the original still where it is. So I'm just going to copy. Now if I go inside the folder we created, we have it. Now there's two ways you can actually create a material. You can actually just drag it and place it there and it creates this material. Or let's edit and undo that and delete this one. Just want to show you both ways. You can also just right click on it and create a material. And it does the same thing. But anyway, once we have our material, right, we'll just drag and drop that onto our cube. And now let's get ready to start scaling the size of the tiles. So I'm just going to double click on the materials. Next, what we want to do inside the blueprints, we just want to right click, type in texture coordinate. It's right there. And all we want to do is grab right here this little pick whip to place that right there on UVs. And now right here is where all the magic happened. Just these two right here. This is where we'll be changing the size of our tiles. So let me actually create this as a cube again so we can see what we're doing. Now if I want to make these tiles a little bit bigger, all I will have to do is make the number a little bit smaller. So let's just actually go to 0.5. And I'm going to put 0.5 here. And you can just play with these numbers. Now as you can see, the tiles are bigger. If we want the tiles to be smaller, we click this again. And let's start off with 2. And 2 here. And just click over here. You can see they're smaller. Now let's just say we want them smaller than this. You just click back there and just adjust the number again. Let's actually make it 4 and 4 here. Now as you can see, the tiles are even smaller, but let's actually make them a little bit bigger. Let's go back to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Once you're happy with your size, all you'll do is click save. And we'll click this little X to get out. And as you can see, our texture now has scaled. Well, it's a bit bigger tiles. And that's it. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If it was, comment, like, and subscribe. And like always, see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.